Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. It's daily video research. Today we'll continue to track the currency of Euro Union, but in the beginning of the research I just want to say a couple of words about Great British Pound. So those of you who like to trade it on intraday time frame, there are some potential for the possible double repo buy on the 4-hour chart. It's nice context with a target around 161.25, so it's very good potential for the double repo buy, and I think that the situation is worth it to track. Now let's shift to the euro currency. We start from the daily time frame. Well, in fact, there's nothing really new on the daily time frame. Trend still bearish, as you can see. The one possibly important moment is that the potential of this C point. If we assume that this C point is in place, then we can calculate this possible target of the retracement to the downside. Let's take a look at this ABC top. 100% expansion, the target of this ABCD pattern is precisely in the area of our confluence daily support, around 139.20. The target 139.01. So this area also in agreement, and that's why it's very perfect area for the possible enter on the long side of the market. If market will fail here and break it to the downside, then possibly we can say that uptrend on the daily time frame is over, because this really strong area, and if bulls is still in charge, market should hold above this area anyway. Of course, market possibly could turn to the upside from this area, because this is previous highs that we have discussed. Also, this is the 618 target from this ABC pattern, and this line, dash line, is the weekly pivot support 1. And possibly if market will hold there, and I expect that wash and rinse in this area, because the target stands a bit below the B point. Okay. Well, but my preferable area to watch for, of course, this one, because this is much stronger than this one, and this is agreement, this confidence support, weekly pivot support 2, so it's very, very strong area and very good for the possible entry on the long side of those of you who trade on the daily basis. Now, let's shift to the 4-hour chart. Potentially, on the intraday charts, have two possible butterflies, but currently we will take a look at the butterfly buy. First of all, this red line is the MACD predictor. It shows us the trend, and market stands above it, so currently trend is bullish. But take a look how market responds on the weekly pivot point. Thrust up, trying to push it, failed. Trying to push it, failed. So market stands below the weekly pivot point. Also, although trend turns bullish, market stands in the range, some consolidation. So this is maybe the one of the ways of the negative dynamic pressure that could lead to the downside acceleration. For example, like here, you can see that market trend turns bullish, but you can see that market established new lows and moved to the downside, and this leads to acceleration, further acceleration to the downside. So this is a bit more choppy consolidation, but potentially it could lead to this move to the downside. Besides, don't forget that the trend, daily trend, is bullish. Here you can see our pattern more clearly, ABC, that we have discussed on the daily time frame, 618 target around this area. Okay, 100% expansion target stands right here. So potential target of this butterfly, 1618 target, also stands in this area of confidence support, daily confidence support, and precisely 131.20. So you can see that the third target coincides in the same area. This is very important. If market will take out these lows and continue move to the downside, then trend shift bearish, and in this case I will be waiting for reaching of this area. If you're an intraday trader, you possibly can enter on the short side, but only after market will break this low around 140.25. And here I explain why. Let's take a look on the hourly chart. On the hourly chart we can see another butterfly. This is our big butterfly that we discussed on the 4-hour chart, but this is the small butterfly, the more recent, that could be developed on the upside. Okay, the target of this butterfly I think will be 127 expansion because it's against the major trend. It's 141.58. Also, this is the 100% expansion target from this A, B, C bottom, A, B, C, D pattern. It's also 100% expansion. So we can't exclude that market possibly could reach this area before further price action. That's why this target around this point around 140.26, 140.25 is have the major importance, because if market will clear out these lows, it will erase this possible butterfly and will make the bearish scenario on the euro currency dominating scenario. Until that will happen, until this butterfly stands, well, I can't say what will be. Possibly market will complete this butterfly then turn to the downside. Anyway, the 2 points that you should track during today's trading session: first one is right here, 140.25. Second, the weekly pivot point. If market move above the weekly pivot point, and this will not be just some splashing right here, this will be market will hold above it, then possibly it could reach 141.60 area and complete this butterfly. What will be happens will be difficult to predict currently. If market will fail here and erase this low, then possibly this scenario of this possible butterfly will prevail, and in this case we can expect move 1 to 139.20 area. So that's my view. Besides, you can see that hourly trend is also bearish. Well, be careful with trading this butterfly, because this is price action is really very sloppy during the previous couple of trading sessions. Just keep your risk reasonable and watch for the possible breakouts of important levels. So that's my view current situation on your currency. Be careful and good luck.